add another one to my collection. Well, I decided to go and add another HBX to my collection. Got the truck version this time. I was very happy with those two. This one was actually the Mustang's the very first one I ever got, and that's actually the older version. They do have an updated version of it with a gyro. This one is the updated version with the gyro in it, and supposedly this has a gyro in it also. But it comes with, it's got the instruction book, spare body clips, one battery, battery charger, and your remote. Looks like with your steering trim, slow and normal speed, and reverse, steering reverse, on off switch, that's about it. A little cheap remote. But these are good little cars. I have a lot of fun with them. This one's stuck the saran wrap on the body. It's got hard plastic grill, hard plastic hood scoop, hard plastic rear wing. And I thought those were headlight buckets, but they're not. No, it came with two batteries too, that's cool. So I got two batteries. Little brushed motor with a heat sink on it. So I'm not sure if the gyro's built in here. This one might not have the gyro, I'm not sure. I know that one does, and it's a separate module on top of the chassis. So maybe this one doesn't have the gyro on it. Either way, it's a lot of fun. So we're gonna go take it out, do a little quick speed run, and then hoon it around. I know when I speed run that one, when I first got it, it did like 12 miles an hour. And that one did 14 miles an hour. Not really for speed, but I speed run everything. What the heck, you know what? Let's see how fast it goes. But anyway, I got this for like, I think $64. It was on sale on Amazon. And it's worth it. But let's take it out and go play with it and see how it does. Alright, got the GPS on it. It's going. Okay, 15. Let's see if I can get this to focus in. It does say gyro function right there, but yet I couldn't find the gyro function on it. It never did do anything. I mean, I'm so happy with it. It still ran great. And I went and looked at the instruction book, which by the way I found stickers for it too. They were inside the book, tail lights and other stuff. But yeah, I went through the book and there's nothing about gyro in here. So don't know what's up with that, but other than that, I'm still happy with the little truck. Like I said, it's part of my collection now. And 15 miles an hour is pretty impressive because that one did 12, that one did 14. So that one's a mile an hour faster. But it drifted good, it was fun to play with. Definitely worth the money if you ask me. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And y'all be good and take care. And be sure to stay tuned for this project coming up.